Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping what you'll animate. Set your slide size to 16:9 and pick a consistent theme. Then import images, SVG, and any audio so everything is ready in one place. Once done, name layers and group related objects. This prevents accidental moves. Make a duplicate slide to test changes without losing progress. If you need precise motion, add 1/2 opacity guide shapes to map paths. These steps get you into the creative flow quickly and reduce rework later. You now build the action, pick an entrance, add a motion path, and layer an exit if the element should leave. Open the animation pane and set Start to On Click with previous or after previous to control flow. Then dial duration between 0, 3, and 1, 2 seconds for natural speed, and add small delays to stagger items. Use ease options to soften acceleration. Once you preview, adjust paths and durations so elements don't collide, and the sequence feels intentionally choreographed. Finish by previewing the full slideshow and recording slide timings if you have voiceover. Export to MP4 for sharing or save as PPTX when collaborators need edits, and make sure to embed fonts and audio. If animation stutters or behaves oddly, first simplify complex motion paths and remove overlapping animations. Next, clear animation overrides in the animation pane and restart PowerPoint. If problems persist, update Office to the latest build. These steps get your polished animation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.